Hey guys, so I have a new hairstyle if you couldn't realise. I decided to get a curly half wig because I've never done anything like this before and I was just feeling to have a change. I've been seeing like lots of like videos and stuff of like that lady from Love and Hip Hop, and her name's Amara La Negra, and I was just seeing her afro and I was just like, I'm really feeling this. So I wanted to do some curly hair. I'm really happy. I wasn't like, when I first got out the box I was kind of like, oh, I'm not sure, but once I like blended my edges and cut this little bang, I was really happy with it, and I hope you like it too. So I'm going to give you all the details about this wig, and this is I got this from the UK, so if you are from like the US, whatever, I will leave links down below for you guys as well, because when I was researching there was loads of other wigs, but I couldn't find those, so obviously I will link down below this exact one if I can find it, and similar ones as well. So the wig came in, I'm going to be quick with this because sometimes it can be a bit annoying like having some girl talking about some hair. So it came in this packaging here. This is the label that was in the packaging. It is called the Sensational 2-in-1 style, and it's an instant weave. It says that it's safe up to 350 to 400 Fahrenheit. I got this in the colour 1B and it's 100% premium fibre. So yeah. So this wig that I got, when I first got it from the store, it had like, it had like two-tone colours. So the top was black and the bottom was red, and I'm not into that type of stuff. So at first I was thinking, I don't think this is gonna look nice. Like if you can see in the picture, she's got two tones and I'm not really a fan of that. But when I got the black, I was like, yes, this is beautiful. Yes, so this is the style Sicily, and as I said before, it's 1B, and this was only $16.99 guys, so super affordable, and it's so soft, so I'm really happy about this. I'm going to be wearing this quite frequently, because literally all I did was just put on my head and just slicked up my edges, and my hair is super short. My hair is like this long because I recently cut it, so I was a bit worried if it wasn't going to blend properly, but it blends perfectly fine. So the product I used to slick my edges was the Dr. Miracle Edge Holding Gel. And let me tell you something, if you have I don't even know what type my hair is. I'm really confused about what type my hair is. And I have struggled to find a gel that will hold my edges. Like the olive oil one is just too oily, it literally just reverts back in 2 seconds. The one I would recommend to everybody is the Dr. Miracle one. Let me tell you something here, once you put that on your hair, it's not going anywhere. Like my edges are slicked, my friend. And then to spray the hair, I use the olive oil and mango butter leave-in H2 conditioner by Elastic QP. I really like this range because they have leave-in conditioners as well, like the cream form oils and other stuff that you can use. So I really like this, and I just use that to spray it in the hair. So yeah, I'm really happy with this. I really hope you like this hair. I'm going to show you guys me taking it out of the packaging, putting it on my head and styling it, just for you guys to see how it looks. So yeah, I really hope you enjoyed this video, and I'm going to let you go straight into the tutorial, guys. No. Forgot! You're not going anywhere. You must like, subscribe and comment before you go anywhere. I really appreciate it, and yeah, this is the tutorial of me styling my hair.